Defensive anger, confrontation to compassion. Anger isn't just a single emotion, it's a spectrum, much like colors. On one end, you have the quick, flash-in-the-pan irritation, like when someone cuts you off in traffic. On the other, there's deep, simmering resentment, the kind that's been brewing for a while, perhaps because of an unfair situation at work or school. Then there's a very specific type of anger, often called defensive or displaced anger. This occurs when feelings of embarrassment, shame, or guilt are too uncomfortable to face, leading us to substitute them with anger. It's like a smoke screen, distracting us and others from the real, underlying issue. However, experiencing such anger is a natural human response to being caught off guard or feeling embarrassed. So, recognize and accept your anger without judgment. Instead of reacting immediately, pause to breathe, regain your equilibrium, and prevent an exaggerated response that could lead to regret. Practice introspection, courageously confront your vulnerabilities, fears, and triggers by questioning what you're really trying to hide beneath your anger. Then, try to communicate your true feelings respectfully, saying, "I felt embarrassed when," or "I was hurt by," which allows your anger to become a bridge for understanding, rather than a wall of defense. Finally, apologize if your initial reaction was too heated. An apology isn't about admitting defeat, it's about showing respect for yourself and the other person. We all have moments of vulnerability, and sometimes they're hard to face. But by accepting, pausing, introspecting, communicating, and, when necessary, apologizing, you're not just managing your anger, you're navigating your emotional landscape. Through this process, you're becoming stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. That's the power of understanding and managing your defensive anger.